like guns, so that's a plus. They have a lot of guns over there.
Well, I didn't like Trump at all.
For me, the US is one of the last places on earth I would want to live.
They're probably they're dumb, basically.
We have a lot of drugs in US. I don't know.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Let's Walk Around. In today's video, we will be knowing that what a Swede think about America and about their culture. So as we have seen so many other insights about different countries, that what do Swedish people think about them, and let us see that what do they have to say about America in this video. So stay tuned and keep watching with the full video.
I'm not a fan of the US at all. I don't really care for what they do. They got pretty terrible politics, terrible economic for the people. Yeah, not my favorite country in the world. Great movies though. That's probably the best thing about it.
Yeah, they're kind of, oh my god, I'm gonna sound like so weird, but I think they're kind of eccentric in like their state of mind. Think about yourself first, and it's more, it doesn't like think about like volunteering and stuff like that. They have like that, but it's more like you think it in your own like way. Like you want to be more, yeah, it's good for college application or stuff like that, but you don't do it for yourself. We have a lot of drugs in US. I don't know, like they smoke a lot of weed, but I don't know if that's true though. People do it in Sweden. It's more like silent down. Yeah, they have a lot of colleges, good colleges. I know many Swedes that want to like move to US and UK too, just because of like education.
The US, well, they put a lot of money on the military.
They're dumb, basically. I think they're kind of dumb. They think they're like so good at everything, and they are so proud of their country. Like everybody walks at home. People have like the American flag and everything. In Sweden, if somebody would have like the Swedish flag and sing the Swedish anthem all the time, that's just weird. But in the US, it's normal.
Also, I never get why they walk around with shoes inside. I will never get it.
No.
Honestly.
First thing that comes to mind is I think they're a bit more patriotic. Not all of them. Some are probably less patriotic than Swedes, but that's the first thing I can think of. Yeah, a bit more focused on their own country than the rest of the world.
Okay, and in the USA, America, something that I've been thinking about a lot is their history lessons. They learn a lot about American history and stuff, but not much about other countries. And when I hear people ask American people what country this is and stuff, and they never get it right, and I'm like in shock because I feel like that's something they should learn in school. They never do. Yeah.
And the US is hard to say something short about, but it has its issues clearly. But at the end of the day, it's the land of dreams. Actually, I don't know a lot about US because I never visited there and I don't have any friends from there. But I do think it's a bit like split somehow. It's very, I don't know. You can always hear news that are like bad or a little bit, I don't know how to explain it. But I don't really know a lot, so yeah.
Okay.
But I know people have very different opinions in US.
I have a lot to say about America.
Yeah.
But it's complicated because I'm like half American. The Netherlands, we know a lot about America. We see the politics, we see the movies, we see the a lot of it. Also, my country itself is westernized, so it's like we're American. We know more about America than some Americans themselves. I find American culture overwhelming. It's taking over everything. It's corrupting a lot of culture, a lot of traditions. Like if you want to go and eat some street food from the Netherlands itself, you cannot find it. The only thing you find is American. It's Burger King, it's McDonald's, it's Starbucks. There's no local eating places anymore. At least not fast food.
In the US, I like the US. It's a very big country with different places, but I've been to Los Angeles and I like it there, and a lot of skateboarding there as well, which is really fun.
I like United States. Like they have amazing literature, which is kind of funny because their educational systems are not the best, so it's kind of weird.
I was born in Canada, so I'm Swedish and Canadian. So I can say that the United States, well, we burned down the White House in 1812. That's it.
I'm not a huge fan of the US. Just their political climate is, not that great, and I don't like any part of their politics or like their political system in general. For me, the US is one of the last places on earth I would want to live, at least compared to what it's like living here. Yeah, and especially with things like healthcare and stuff, and just general safety, I would not want to live in the US.
America, I've never been. I like guns, so that's a plus. They have a lot of guns over there, and the cars too. You can drive around. That's all I know.
Well, I didn't like Trump at all. I don't know how they could vote for him. I think they thought that Hillary Clinton would be the president. And so many didn't go out and vote because they, no, Trump, that's not gonna happen. It happened. And it went like shit because of that. Joe Biden, much better. More support for all countries than Trump shutting down everything. Biden is more for support and understanding with other countries. What more can I say about USA? Well, I don't think they have a good school because I've seen some programs and they don't know where their own capital is lying in their country. That is, I think they need better school. I think when they come to college and over there, then it's much better. They learn much more good things there. But it's a big country, the biggest economy in the world. And I like that they also support Ukraine very much. That I like very much about Biden.
I like the weather in the US, but I think it's weird that you can't drink until you're 21. Because you should be able to go out and have drinks before that, you know? Yeah.
US is a very big country, and it's very nice and good food.
US is a very big country and have a lot of problems. They shoot people and the law about the weapon is not so good. So I think it's not good.
That was all from today's video, and we hope that you guys really enjoyed it. And if you want to listen more street interviews, or if there is anything else which you guys want us to make videos about, just write in the comment section and just let us know so we can also work for that as well. To watch more related videos, you can surely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Until then, goodbye.